What's going on, folks? I'm gonna show you how you'll be changing out your headlights on a 2007 to about the 2014 Chevy Tahoe. It's pretty simple. All you gotta do pretty much is just come right here to the top. You'll have a size 10 screw that you want to take out. I'll have one here at the top. You see where I'm taking it out at. You'll have one here. You want to set that one to the side. You also have one right here that you want to take out. Just like that. You take a size 10 socket. I already have them loose, so I don't need to use the socket, but you want to take a size 10, and once you do that, you just kind of want to come over here to the side. You can see this part right here. You just kind of want to pull out like that, and what you should see is like these little rivets, one here and one down there, that you're pulling out these holes that they go in right here. And once you pull that back like that, you don't have to actually take this whole headlight assembly out to get to your lights. Now you'll have enough space pretty much, if you can see right down in there, to go down inside of there and take your hand pretty much and just turn your light bulb out. Now I'm doing is just reaching right here in this gap. You'll see your bulb. You just kind of want to squeeze your hand down inside of there like that and just kind of turn it. On this one right here, I'm actually turning it toward the passenger side door. And once I've done that, you can see right here where I have that light at right there. You can see that bulb right here. Yeah, once I did that, you can see the bulb right here. And all you want to do now is just unplug this little clip right here. That's on the side of it. You have two clips. You'll have one on this side and actually one on the other side. One right here, one right here. You just kind of want to pop those two side pieces off, and you'll be able to change your bulb out. I'm going to show you the back one so you know what bulb you need, just in case you want to get the bulb before you remove it. But you'll see right here, just kind of want to pull those two side pieces out right there and right there. Go ahead, pull it out. Put two side pieces.
I got them pulled out. Pull it out.
Yeah, just like that. This is the size bulb that you're going to be needing right there. And once you do that, you just take your new bulb. Make sure that when you get your new bulb that you never touch the actual bulb part of it, because if you do, you can get grease on it from your hands, and it'll cause the life of your bulb to go out much quicker than what it needs to. So never touch that part. So use some gloves or something like that if you're going to be changing out your light bulbs. All right, folks, once again, this is how you'll be changing out your headlight on a Chevy Tahoe from about the 2007 all the way up to about the 2014. Also, on another note, if you want to actually change out this whole headlight assembly, then you will actually have to remove your bumper down here to get it out, because you have some other screws that's all the way down here in the bottom right there you got to take out. So if you want to change out this whole headlight assembly, you'll have to take out the bumper itself. But just to change out your headlight bulbs, you just remove those two screws I showed you, one here and one here. Pull out this side rivets over here, and then you should be able to pull this back enough to actually get in there to your high beams as well as your low beams. All right, please check out the other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.